Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make black velvet, or shall I say African velvet tamarind juice. So this is African or black velvet tamarind. It's the fruit of a native West African tree called Dialium guineens. It is sold in small bundles at the market and it's quite cheap. I'm just going to unbundle my bunch. And this is how the fruit looks. It's a seasonal fruit and it has a black or very dark brown exterior with a sort of velvety feel to it. And on the inside, it's orange with a seed in the middle, and the orange pulp has a sweet and tangy taste. It has several names depending on the language. In Yoruba, it's called Awin. In Igbo, it's called Icheku. And in Hausa, it's called Tsamiyar kurm. Tamarind is a rich source of magnesium and calcium and may help in easing constipation, liver, and stomach problems. This particular velvet tamarind is also packed with vitamins, iron, and calcium that may help boost immunity. It's actually underrated as not much attention has been paid to it. So we're going to make this juice today, and I'm going to start by deshelling the tamarinds and putting the pulp in a bowl. Just to give a bit more credence to this amazing fruit, it contains an abundance of vitamin C, which helps to fight against microbial infections, and it also contains anti-inflammatory properties. The leaf extract, according to research, inhibits the growth of Plasmodium falciparum, which causes malaria, and so much more. So my friends, if this is the first time you're watching my video, welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make healthy juices, drinks, and delicious recipes. I upload new videos every week. Please join the family, hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And while you're at it, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. And just a thankful shout out to my ever so loyal subscribers. I see you guys and I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. I couldn't do this without your support. So after deshelling, I'm going to add some lukewarm water to my tamarind pulp. I had almost 2 full cups of tamarind. You can check the description box for the exact recipe. I'm going to add the water and I'm going to, squish it a little bit so that the tamarind dissolves. Then I'm going to cover and leave for a few hours so that the tamarind pulp fully dissolves. Now, you don't have to do this, especially if you used hot water. I didn't. You can just leave it for a few minutes, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. So after a few hours, overnight actually, I left mine overnight. You can see my tamarind pulp is more or less dissolved. And you can see the juice. You can even see a separation of the water and the juice. Next, I'm going to pass the mixture through a sieve to separate the seeds from the juice. So I'm just pressing down into the sieve to extract as much juice as I can. Then I'm just going to give it a good mix. Afterward, I'm going to pour it in my blender. I'm going to add a natural sweetener, dates, and then I'm going to blend. And there we go, guys, a healthy and fantastic African velvet tamarind juice that is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your body. It is tangy yet exquisite. You guys should really try it, especially if it grows in your area. And it's cheap too. You can even mix it with other fruits and make a mixed tamarind juice. So my friends, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. It really helps. Also share the video and write a nice comment. That will be greatly appreciated. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao.